In this video, I'll be showing you how to build your menu items to ClickPOS. First thing to do is tap the left hand, we call it menu, tap products. Let's start building the categories before we build any of the menu items. To do that, tap on the green plus button, tap the plus again, and let's add hot drinks. You can select the color. Because it's hot, we'll take red, and here's the first item. Now let's add the next one. Now we've finished building the categories, we can actually align them and put them in an order that we wish. In this case, we'd like to have all the donuts together and the drinks now close. Now we will be adding the first item. In this case, what we're going to do is start off with the drinks. Tap the plus button on the right hand side. We will be adding Coke, and we need to make up a barcode. This could be letters or numbers, or if you're using a barcode scanner, you can actually scan the barcode into this area where you can scan and sell. But in this case, we're going to be using the touch screen, so we do not need a proper barcode off the product. So we'll just put in CDZ as the barcode. Now category, this is where we select soft drinks. You simply tap and select, and the price. In this case, it's $4 per can. We can add a picture as well. So I have some ready-made pictures, the bottled drinks. Create the new product and carry on and do the next product for the time being and create the new product. So you carry on adding each and every item with a product name, barcode, category, price, and possibly the picture. Now let's close and have a look at what's being built. Here are our two products. At any stage, I can go back to this screen, tap on the item, and I can change any of the items right here. It is the same edit screen of the original build. I will now continue building the rest of the coffees that I have. Then we will talk about the add-on for the extras for the coffee, which may be milk types, sweeteners, etc. So let's continue building all the coffees. Tap the plus. As you can see, we have our coffee range. Now, just with the latte, I'd like to update the image top. And that's our image, and it has uploaded. Once you complete all your menu items, then we will go into items that would include as extras, or what we call add-ons. In the coffee's case, this would be decaf, soy milk, almond milk, milks, sweeteners, etc. So the add-ons are on the second icon right here. We will one by one build all the add-ons for each menu item or for the entirety of the menu. So once again, the plus means to add new, and the square box with a pencil there means to edit an existing one. We will be plus adding. So let's start with, for coffees, decaf option. Once again, it requires a barcode, anything. What is the add-on price? It's, in this case, 50 cents. Decaf, it was the first item. Decaf has been added. We continue with the other add-ons. And that's it. Close. So we have built all of our add-ons in here. So now we're going to group them and then add it to each one of the coffees. And here's how we do this. Go to cappuccino, for example. We will start one by one. Obviously long black won't have some of the options, but cappuccino, you go to add-on group, create a new group. In this case, it will be, let's call it extras. and save. Now, the highlighted area shows you what you need to click. Tap on the list. So we're going to group some of these items into extras. And what are extras? Let's go with decaf, sugar, extra shot is one group. Close, save. Now let's create another group that will say sweeteners. Save, and it will be sugar, caramel syrup, hazelnut, and vanilla. Close, save. In the extras, I would like to put in one more item, which is large option. And I would like large to be the first on the list. So I will edit, move it up the list, and large is now up top. Now, simply tick the items you want for cappuccino to include. Save add-on. So under add-on group, extras and sweeteners are added for cappuccino. Let's have a look at the sales screen, see what it looks like. So this is sales screen now. Cappuccino, it will pop up with extras and sweeteners. That's what we're doing. So customer may want a large caramel syrup, and you can see what it looks like in sale. So let's go back to products. Now we need to repeat it for the ones that include those add-ons. Flat white, add-on group. Because we've created the groups already earlier, we just simply need to tick. Latte, add-on group. Tick, save. Long black may not have some of the options. So if we tick long black, they may have the sweeteners in there, but whether they have the other options is another thing, but we will select both of those as well. And repeat it for any other groups that may include these items. Now we will look at another option where we can actually make coffee sales. Once again, this is up to you and how you want to operate it. And this applies to any other businesses as well. This is a sample of giving the operator the option of choosing whether it's a small or a large. So in this case, we actually have added a large with 50 cents to be added onto the selection of the size. There is a different way of doing this, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. So let's go back to products. These are called variant options. So I go back to my products where I edit, and we will be using the variant option. So what a variant is a price variant. Let's add a new price variant, and the price is determined by the size of the product that we're selling. Because there is no initial setup, we need to set up the sizes. Let's give it a name. Select size. You can say coffee size as well if you've got different types of sizes for food, etc. So we've added the word select size, add variant, and the variant is small. And let's add a regular size. Save. So we have the two variants added. Save and select. So we have selected it. Just follow the green pop-ups that pop up. So we're now doing the small. The price is $4.50. Generate variant, and you'll see the item appear there. Now let's do the regular, which is $5. Generate. Close. There we have it. Close. So you will see that it says two variants, which means there's two prices in there that makes up that coffee. If we go to sale, you will now see it operates a little bit different. When I select cappuccino, it will ask whether it's small or regular. And when I select small or regular, it will still pop up with the add-ons thereafter. In this case, we will remove this large option here, only because we're now having that one step prior to coming into this particular page. So let's do done, and you'll see it a little bit different now. Cappuccino regular, as opposed to, this is the previous way, we would say large. It would add 50 cents. So it's up to you how you want to operate your business. If you had 3 sizes, we would recommend that you do the variant option, so small, medium, large, for example. So now I will repeat that option for any item that has sizes. So flat white, variant, plus, plus. I've already created the size option, so I simply select, tap, small, $4.50, generate. Regular, $5. This does take a little bit more to create and maintain. However, it gives you the option of having that pop up, making it somewhat easier for the staff to operate. Latte, variant, plus, tap to collect, select size, small, $4.50, generate, generated. Regular, price, $5, generate. Close, you've got both of the sizes, and there we have it. Now we go back to sales screen. All of these options will now pop up with small on regular, small on regular.